A day after its office in Lamphel came under attack by unidentified miscreants, United Committee Manipur UCM appointed its new 25 office bearers for 2024 to 2027 term. Members of UCM also took out a protest condemning the bomb attack last night. Speaking on the sidelines, the newly appointed president of UCM, YK Dhiren, condemned the attack while terming it as a mindless act. He also urged people or groups to refrain from carrying out such attacks in the future again. Among the new office bearers, Khuraija Mathauba of IPSA, Shanta Nahakpam of Akomlup have been appointed as a Vice President and General Secretary for UCM respectively, while Dipanjit Ningthogjam of NIPCO and S. Brojan of Pandam have been given the charge for Secretary Organization and Secretary Finance respectively. Soibam Anil has been appointed as Secretary Information and Public Relations, while I. Bimola has been given the responsibility of Secretary Women Affairs.
Hojik Ladiba, Leba Kishu, Nuraba Tanfamashida, Shiesho, Amoina, Tabak Tojariba, Lup Ashida, Karigumba, Tanzada, Pendava, Natraga, Tawaningba, Tabak, Shinda, Mapung Hada, Natra, Tawaningba, Ragasu, Koida, Azna, Hongdo Pirakanda, Ekoi, Levaki, the Mukta Tojariba, Tabakashima Punghana, Baikoi, United Committee, Manipur, Maikaki, on the Zegni, Dunata Vida, Ekoi Maselgi Marakta, Jumlava, Bom, the Simbalang Silakanda, here, Kangpuan by the Shah, live active to do money, Ramaduna Shumba to United Committee Manipur, Natraga, Fibum Singshita, Ekoi Makatana, Mohana, Tuan Bidanaba, United Committee Manipur, Sinjaragaina, Miamda, Apil to Jege.
Meanwhile, speaking on the sidelines, a new General Secretary of UCM, Shanta Nahakpam, said the bomb attack at UCM's office will discourage leaders of various civil society organizations in the state from playing active role for the society. He demanded clarification from those who have committed the attack at the office building of UCM and Kokomi.
Lebang Ningbagi Namada, Prazada Chatarak CSO sing the Chatarak was there. Sumaina continue Lata di, Hayang India Gomenga, Lainariba, Akogi, Kulai Piri by Chino Singziga, Hayang Kangagumatam, the CSO on the low river roll there. Kari roll no I but to question the Latorebo. Aduna, UCM Dangarang, Bomlang Zalivase, Masi, Karana Tobirino, Karimarangi Tobirino, I have to Sengopiro, Aduga, Makatana, CSO sing the UCM Gakaiwanate, Atopa CSO sing the Zumba Kianba Kanganba, Miamgi Damang Matam sacrifice Toroga, Chatana Chen. Chongdana Tauriba leader Singda Sumba Ki Kangi Akangi Tabaksa Makatan Torok Taragati Akoigi CS or the Ladiba Kulai Paisa Mamsiga Kulai Piva Singziga Koiga Yagnabola Kane Sisu Kaudo Pay Simtangajoge.
On the other hand, Imphal President Laurimbam Nganbi vehemently condemned the frequent attacks at UCM and Kokomi office building. She also sought clarification from people who carried out the attack. Members of Imphal, Kanglamai, Nepal, Nompok Lengak and other organizations affiliated to UCM took part in the protest today.
Aikoi mayam khutjal lakanda koi punna yanmin narakanda ikoi lup mayam amana support torkanda changchan minariba dugumba lamdam ama sida leiriba UCM gumba dang aglaitani attack tauba haibase machi tauroi doba thabak sida tauri se kari marangino haiba wahang ama mioiba amadi koi Manipur praja khudingmangna hangaba wahang amani huji aikoi kuki lan sida khukchu kuki amadi chin kuki na kanna landaraiba matam sida aikoi machen makta sumaina nungchina daba taragadi Karam Oirakadoge, Sahi Tarek Kuntakpase, E. Machen Nunchina Masung, Jat Kara, Yenarakpadagi, Amadi, Mi, Mating Lauru Rakanda, Ming on the Kana, Pitoki Bagi, Tanjado, Amuhana Lawan Gumsi, Punangami Nabagi Mahuta, Ekoi Machen Kanaba, Ekoi Machen Bom Langsanaba Hibase, Tahoida Bataba Oibanina, Mama Okoina Kari, the Makta Tauri Banana Pagi Pandam Karino, Hibase, Masituna, Koi Kanga Pami.